Today we are going to teach you the 9th class English lesson first, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. In this chapter you will know about the future as expected by the mechanical people. The people thought that in future everything will be different. In this chapter, the schools and study system it described is very modern. In this chapter, there is a girl named Margie, that is the main character of the story. She is 11 years old girl. She read in the school of that modern era of 22nd century. The school was not really as it is now. It was a mechanical school. The school was not a building, but it was a machine. That machine was a computer CPU system. In this system, that was situated in the next room of her bedroom. A mechanical teacher teach her and all the people, all the students at that time on the computer screen. That was a mechanical teacher who teach them the lesson properly and give them the homework daily. And the children do the homework given by the mechanical teacher. And the mechanical teacher asks them to put the homework in a slot and he check them and evaluate them and give the marks according to them. And he gave them test after test whenever it want. And Margie was studying there, but it was quite boring for her. There was no classmate or schoolmate with her. She studied alone. And mother was serious about her study. She always sent him school at the regular time. And she was studying in that school. That was the mechanical school or mechanical teacher was teaching them. And in the second event, there is the mechanical teacher has some problem in it. The history section of the school was not working properly. It was working very rapidly. She was only 11 years old and the system was giving him the lessons of the students of 12 years or 13 years students. And it was rapidly going on. She was not good in history tests. Tests were taken by the teacher and she was not doing good in them. The mother called the county inspector. County inspector was a person who had a mechanical kit with him. It was not an officer, but it was a mechanic who knew about the software and hardware of the computer. He usually changed everything according to the students. He settled the history section according to her age. It took him only 1 hour or so. He gave her an apple to eat, and she thought that it would be taken away by the mechanical county inspector. He will take away the system for 1 month or more time. As it was happened with the Tommy's system. Tommy, the neighbor that lived nearby, that was a 13-year-old boy, his system was having some problem. Then it was taken away by the county inspector for 1 month. He had the 1 month's holidays. He did not go to school for 1 month. She was hoping that will happen and happy about that, but it did not happen as she expected. He cured it like a doctor in 1 hour only, and she was not happy about it. He changed it according to her age. Now it was working properly. And second event is the special. That was about a book. The book of the old era of our time. Our time is the era of book. Books are written. Everything in his book. Everything. A needle to a big building. About everything's knowledge is available in the books. And she went to meet Tommy, and Tommy was reading a book in the attic. That was a real book of our time, in the present time, not in future time. It was a present time book printed on the papers. And she saw that. She asked, "What is it?" She said, "It is a book." It is a book. We read in the computer screen many e-books. She turned the pages and found out and come back to that page. She saw that the words were still. They were not moving. She said that, "Oh, how boring it is. It is not a good book. We could have million of that type books in our computer screen very easily." So that is the old time books. My grandfather's grandfather told me that. When he said that, my grandfather's grandfather told him that. My grandfather's grandfather told him that at that time the books were written on the papers. They were printed on the papers. These type of books were used by the students. And the schools were not as they are now. "What is good about schools?" said Margie. "Schools are so boring. Don't talk about schools. We will talk about something else." He said that the schools were not like now they are. That was a building. Students of same age go to school to study. And a man teach them. How can a man come to our home like this? They did not come to our home. At that time, the man was a teacher, human being was a teacher, and teach them in the same building. The students of the same age, they go to the school and study together. They read together, come from school together. He said that, "Oh, that was a good time." The fun they had a lot of fun. They enjoyed the schooling together. That was a good time for them. I wish I had the school like that. The name given, the fun they had, the lines is used for the people of our era. They use these lines for us. We are having the fun together in the schools with our classmates. In the future, they will not have that type of fun. It is expected. As we are watching the technology, it can happen. It can happen the same thing which we told you in the lesson. And you see that in this lesson, the future expectation is strong. So this is the lesson. And in this lesson, after that, Margie was talking to Tommy. Margie's mother called her and said that, "Come on for the school. It is the time for school, for the class. It is time for the class. Tommy, you also go for school. It is time for you to go to school." They went away. This is the end of the story which you read. Now I am telling this same story in the Hindi for the students of Hindi medium so that they can learn it easily. And for the weak students, they can learn it easily in our Indian language. Okay? I am telling you the story in the Hindi. In this story, इस स्टोरी में एक लड़की है जिसका नाम है मार्गी. ये कहानी जो है भविष्य में लिखी गई है सन 2157 में, 22वीं शताब्दी में, जब सब कुछ बदल चुका था. मार्गी जो एक लड़की है जो 11 साल की है, वो फ्यूचर के स्कूल में पढ़ती है. तो स्कूल जो है वो ऐसा नहीं है जैसा कि अब है. स्कूल एक्चुअल में एक कमरा है जो कि घर के अंदर ही है, बेडरूम से अगला ही कमरा है. और टीचर जो है कोई टीचर नहीं बल्कि एक कंप्यूटर है, मैकेनिकल टीचर है जो सब तरह के लेसन देता है. सारे लेसन उसके अंदर मौजूद हैं, कंप्यूटर के CPU में मौजूद हैं, जो कि विद्यार्थी को लेसन दिए जाते हैं. और उस लेसन्स को देने के साथ साथ वे उनको होमवर्क भी देते हैं. और बाद में होमवर्क को पंचिंग कोड के द्वारा एक स्लॉट में डाला जाता है और उसे चेक करते हैं. इस प्रकार लेसन पढ़ाए जाते हैं. और मार्गी को ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, वो बोरिंग लगता है उसको. और टेस्ट पे टेस्ट लिए जाते हैं, वो इस बात से भी परेशान है, बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है उसको. और कोई भी क्लासमेट नहीं है, वो बोरिंग महसूस करती है. कोई साथी नहीं है तो अकेलापन महसूस होता है। और इसके साथ एक और प्रॉब्लम भी आई है उसके साथ, जो हिस्ट्री सेक्शन है इस मैकेनिकल टीचर का, वो ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा। वो ठीक से क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा? क्योंकि जो उसका हिस्ट्री सेक्शन है बड़ी रैपिडली चल रहा है, बड़ी स्पीड से चल रहा है। लेसन जो है हाई लेवल के चले जा रहे हैं, जो 11 साल के बच्चे के लिए ज़्यादा हाई लेवल के हैं, 12 और 13 साल के बच्चे के लिए हैं वो लेसन दिए जा रहे हैं। तो लड़की जो है टेस्ट पे टेस्ट जो हर टेस्ट में बुरा कर रही है, अच्छे टेस्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे, तो उसकी माँ बड़ी परेशान है। वो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को बुलाती है। काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर जो इन सब चीज़ों पर नियंत्रण रखता है, ये बल्कि एक ऑफिसर नहीं है बल्कि एक मैकेनिक है। उसके बाद मैकेनिकल किट है, वो आता है और इसे ठीक करने लग जाता है। उसको हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर की नॉलेज है। वो उसका सिर थपथपाता है, मार्गी का सिर थपथपाने के बाद वो उसे एक सेब देता है खाने के लिए। मार्गी को उम्मीद थी कि वो उसे काफ़ी समय के लिए ले जाएगा। जैसे कि टॉमी का मैकेनिकल टीचर एक बार ख़राब हुआ था, तो 1 महीने के लिए ठीक होने के लिए चला गया था टॉमी को। टॉमी एक जो पड़ोसी लड़का था 13 साल का, उसका मैकेनिकल टीचर ख़राब हुआ तो वो 1 महीने के लिए गया, उसको 1 महीने की छुट्टी मिली। मार्गी भी सोच रही थी काश ऐसा ही हो, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ। 1 घंटे के अंदर उसने उसे ठीक कर दिया। अब ये ठीक से काम कर रहा था। और अगली जो मुख्य घटना ये होती है इस लेसन में, वो ये है कि मार्गी जो है टॉमी से मिलने के लिए जाती है, जो पड़ोस का लड़का है। ये इकट्ठे खेलते हैं, तो सेम उम्र के बच्चे इकट्ठे एंजॉय करते हैं। तो वहाँ जब जाती है तो एटिक पर बैठा हुआ एक किताब पढ़ रहा था। ये किताब जो थी रियल बुक थी, जो आज के ज़माने की जो कागज़ पर प्रिंट की गई है, वो उसे पढ़ रहा है। और उसके बाद जाती है, पूछती है ये क्या है? कहती है एक बुक है। ये बुक है? हम तो बहुत सारी ई बुक्स जो कंप्यूटर में होती हैं वो पढ़ते हैं, ये तो कुछ और ही है। कहते हैं नहीं, पहले बुक्स ऐसी होती थी, मेरे दादाजी के दादाजी ने उन्हें ये बताया था कि पहले जो किताबें ऐसे प्रिंटेड हुआ करती थी, लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है। और कहते हैं कि पहले जो है उनको पढ़ाने के लिए टीचर आते थे। तो टीचर कैसे आते थे? हम तो किसी एक और जो टीचर जो है कैसे पढ़ा सकते हैं? तो टीचर जो है मैकेनिकल टीचर नहीं थे बल्कि ह्यूमन बीइंग होते थे, इंसान होते थे वो। और वो कहता है कि इंसान होते थे? हाँ, तो इंसान होते तो कैसे पढ़ाते? हमारे घर में तो किसी इंसान को आने ना दो। बेवकूफ़ स्कूल ऐसे नहीं होते थे, इंसान होते थे और एक बिल्डिंग होती थी। और उस बिल्डिंग में सभी एक उम्र के बच्चे एक साथ एक क्लास में पढ़ने के लिए जाया करते, उन्हें टीचर पढ़ाता था। और कहते हैं वो एक साथ पढ़ते अच्छे तरह, आते भी एक साथ थे, जाते भी एक साथ थे, तो कब एंजॉय करते थे। चलो कितना अच्छा था, द फन दे हैड, कितना जो है एंजॉय करते थे, कितनी अच्छी ज़िंदगी थी उनकी। और जो है वो ऐसी ज़िंदगी जीते थे, ये बड़ा अच्छा जीवन था उनका। और काश हम भी ऐसी तरह पढ़ पाते। और ये जो वर्तमान का समय है जैसे हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, तो वो हमारे बारे में ये कह रही थी। उसके बाद जो है उसकी माँ की आवाज़ आती है, मार्गी की माँ की, कहती है मार्गी स्कूल का समय हो गया है, चलो अपनी क्लास में जाके पढ़ो। और टॉमी तुम्हारा भी समय हो गया है। इस प्रकार ये चैप्टर ख़त्म होता है। और विद्यार्थियों, dear students, good five for today. But I want you to subscribe this channel, share it and like it. Goodbye for today.